Trust is earned. Transparency is rare. And when it comes to insurance, where your financial security and future are on the line, choosing the right partner is everything. Finding the right insurance broker in Hong Kong isn't just a matter of clicking the top link on a search engine. It's a decision that can protect your wealth, your family, your health, and your peace of mind. In this video, we'll unravel the mystery of what makes a great insurance broker, and more importantly, how to choose the one who'll truly act in your best interest. The truth is, not all insurance professionals are created equal. Some represent you, some don't. And many people only discover the difference when it's already too late, usually in the thick of a crisis, a claim, or a rejected payout. Here's why the right broker makes all the difference. Firstly, they save you money by comparing premiums from multiple insurers. They are also able to help customize your coverage, ensuring you're protected where it matters, without overpaying for fluff you don't need. And when disaster strikes, they don't vanish. They become your personal claims concierge, guiding you through the process and advocating on your behalf. And finally, under Hong Kong law, a broker is obligated to represent your interests and not those of the insurance companies. This is due to the simple fact that a broker is your agent, not an agent of the underwriters. For example, consider Nathan, a 32-year-old architect. His private health insurer denied a claim for an overseas emergency surgery, citing geographical restrictions. But because Nathan had worked with a licensed insurance broker, he was able to challenge the denial. The broker knew the fine print and had ensured that Nathan had purchased a policy that allowed emergency treatment outside the geographical coverage area. The broker escalated the issue within the insurance company, and the result? Nathan got full reimbursement with no guesswork and no runaround. That's the difference a broker makes. Not just a middleman, but a guardian of your policy's promise. But before you even speak to a broker, you need to understand yourself. What are you protecting? And how much is peace of mind worth to you? Before starting your insurance purchasing, sit down and ask yourself, do I need this insurance? What about other coverage like home, auto, travel, or business protection? What are my risk tolerances? Am I okay with higher deductibles for lower premiums, or do I want maximum protection? What's my budget, and are there any deal breakers in my coverage requirements? Do I need someone who can walk me through a claim on a Sunday? And most importantly, how do I prefer to communicate? Phone, WhatsApp, email? A good broker listens, a great one anticipates. And when you're honest about your needs from the beginning, you give them the power to deliver solutions tailored to your life, not someone else's. Once you know what you need, the next step is finding the professionals who specialize in your space. Start your search for a broker by looking for brokers who focus on your type of insurance. If you're planning to insure a domestic helper, a car, and yourself, find a broker like CCW Global that offers all three. Check reviews and testimonials. Look beyond their homepage. What are people saying when things go wrong? That's where true reputations are built. Compare quotes. A real broker doesn't just sell one insurer's products. At CCW Global, for instance, every quote is independent, transparent, and compared across top-rated local and international insurers. And never forget, regulation matters. In Hong Kong, brokers must be licensed under the Insurance Authority. And if the company you're approaching is not licensed, walk away. It is not worth the risk. CCW Global has operated in Hong Kong for over 13 years and is fully licensed and regulated, with a track record of independence, integrity, and service. Once you've narrowed your selection down, it's time for the interview. Don't be shy. The right broker will welcome your questions because they know their answers speak volumes. Here's what to ask of any potential intermediary. What experience do you have with my specific insurance needs? Whether it's wedding insurance or international medical coverage, they should have case studies to share and a wealth of knowledge to offer. How do you get paid? Is it commission only? Do they charge service fees? At CCW Global, transparency is the default. No hidden fees. Ever. How do you handle claims? Will they disappear once the policy is signed? Or will they be there, hands-on, should the worst happen? You've done your research. Ask the questions. Now it's time to choose your broker and build a working relationship that lasts. Look for 3 core traits. Firstly, responsiveness. If they take days to reply now, imagine how they'll act during a claim. And if you can't get a real person on the phone for an initial contact, how easy is it going to be navigating a robotic phone menu during a crisis? Secondly, knowledge. Can they explain exclusions in plain English or your language of choice? Do they ask about your lifestyle, your plans, your concerns? And finally, transparency. No jargon, no hard sell, no sugarcoating. How clear are they on their process? Once you've chosen your broker, make them part of your financial ecosystem. Discuss your expectations and update them when things change, like moving apartments, starting a business, or traveling abroad for extended periods. A broker isn't a once-and-done contact. They're a long-term ally in your financial journey. Choosing the right insurance broker isn't just a good idea. It's a smart, strategic move that can protect your life's work, shield your loved ones, and bring clarity to complexity. In a city as fast-paced and unpredictable as Hong Kong, you need a broker who moves with you, who listens, guides, and champions your best interests. You need someone who isn't paid to push a product, but is empowered to deliver a solution. So whether you're buying your first health policy, insuring your home, or launching a startup that needs global liability protection, choose wisely. Choose independence. Choose transparency. Choose expertise. Choose to ask CCW Global, where your insurance is swift, simple, and sorted.